Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and this vlog is going to be in English so that it helps more Xpulse owners. So there's one issue with this bike, and before that let me just show you the odometer. So the bike has done 7,200 kilometers and the brake pads are pretty much gone. If you can see, that's gone, and it's the same case with the front brake pads as well. Let me just show it to you. I don't know if it's visible, but it's pretty much gone. So two issues: one, the brake pads should last somewhere around 13,000 to 14,000 kilometers, and issue number two is these brake pads from Hero, are pretty expensive. The rear brake pads will cost you somewhere around 1,400 rupees, and the front brake pads will cost you somewhere around 1,300 rupees. And that's pretty surprising because being a product of Hero, it should be value for money, but these are on the expensive sides. So I did some research on Google, and I found out that the front brake pads can be replaced with the TVS RTR 180 brake pads. They are direct replacement, and this costed me somewhere around 320 rupees after discount. So these are direct replacement. And for the rear brake pads, I got this from Honda. These are brake pads from the Honda Hornet, CBR 150R, or the Dazzler. It's a direct replacement for the rear brake pad, and this costed me somewhere around 700 rupees. And I know this 700 rupees is still expensive, but I just wanted to go for OEM quality. So let's get this changed. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಡಿದ್ರೆ
ಉಜ್ಜಿದ್ಯಾ?
ವೈಟ್ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ನಂಗೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದಾದರೂ
ಚೂರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ.
So guys, I'm back home from the garage, and as you can see, the rear brake pads and the front brake pads are a perfect fit. So in total with the labor, it costed me somewhere around 1,250 rupees compared to 3,200 rupees what it would have cost in Hero. And Yep, that's how I've saved a little bit of money. And the bike is now 7,000 kilometers, and I'll be making a complete owner's review at 10,000 kilometers. So please stay tuned, because there are a little bit of, you know, what do you say, negatives in the bike. For example, if you see, whenever it rains, the water goes in, and when you sit on the bike, the water comes out, making your pant wet. So there are many little negative points like this, which I'm going to be covering in the 10,000 kilometers owner review. So please stay tuned and subscribe. Thank you, my dear friends. Thank you for watching.